The 2027 Dodge Durango isn't just another family SUV. It's a statement, a declaration that the era of boring three-row crossovers is officially over. When Dodge set out to replace its beloved Bruiser, they faced an impossible challenge. How do you follow up a 710-horsepower Hellcat? How do you maintain that reputation for raw, unapologetic American muscle when the V8 is riding into the sunset? The answer is codenamed D6U, and it's coming for everything you thought you knew about performance SUVs. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't your neighbor's Honda Pilot. This isn't a Toyota Highlander with a sport mode button. The fourth-generation Durango was born from the same DNA that powers BMW's M division and Mercedes-AMG's most aggressive creations. Dodge looked at the family SUV segment and decided that practical doesn't have to mean predictable. Under the hood, the thunder of the Hemi may be gone, but the storm is far from over. The Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six arrives in two devastating flavors: 420 horsepower for the enthusiastic and 540 horsepower for the seriously committed. That's supercar territory wrapped in a package that still hauls your kids to soccer practice. And for those who demand the ultimate, an electric variant channels the lessons learned from the Jeep Wagoneer S, delivering dual-motor fury with up to 600 horsepower and over 300 miles of range. 3.4 seconds to 60 in a three-row SUV. Let that sink in. But the Durango has always been about more than numbers. It's about attitude. It's about walking through the parking lot at school drop-off, knowing you've got more firepower than half the sports cars on the road. It's about the parent who understands that time is the ultimate luxury, and the fastest way to reclaim it is through sheer, overwhelming velocity. Built on Stellantis's STLA large platform, the 2027 Durango shares its bones with the reborn Dodge Charger, ensuring handling and structural rigidity that would make previous generations jealous. This architecture doesn't just accommodate electrification, it embraces it, allowing Dodge to serve every appetite, from efficiency-focused commuters to power-hungry enthusiasts who refuse to compromise. The timing couldn't be more critical. Dodge's Hornet compact SUV struggles to find its footing. The new Charger faces the monumental task of convincing Hemi loyalists that 6 cylinders and electrons can deliver the same soul. The Durango carries the weight of a brand's identity on its broad shoulders, and it wears that burden like a championship belt. Starting around $45,000, the base models still deliver that unmistakable Dodge presence while competing with mainstream family haulers. But it's the upper trims that write the legend, the ones that make you question why anyone would buy a boring European luxury SUV when you could have American audacity with room for 7. Fall 2026 marks the arrival. The resurrection of the Stealth name as a two-row variant follows shortly after, giving buyers options without diluting the mission. Because Dodge understands something fundamental that other automakers forgot. Families don't stop being enthusiasts. Parents don't surrender their passion when they need a third row. They simply demand more from the machine that carries what matters most. The 2027 Durango answers that demand with twin turbos, electric torque, and a middle finger to convention. This is what happens when an automaker refuses to apologize for loving performance. This is the future of the family SUV, and it has absolutely no chill.